Good afternoon, guys. I hope you guys are having a lovely day. And here I'm going to give you a little introduction and show you where the bumper is. And you guys can see all the development that has been done, and I really appreciate each and every one of you who've been helping me out, who've been encouraging me. And as you can see, the scanner is in the car at the moment. Let me zoom this in and to show it to you guys. And if you guys can see it, here, there you go. So the pocket has been made, the scanner pocket, it's been glued in, and now I'm just going to take the bumper off and fiberglass this thing, because there's no reason to wait anymore, any further for it. So next time when you're going to see it, it's going to be a fiberglass bumper. It won't be foam anymore, and all this sculpturing, everything will be become fiberglass. So rest assured, it's going to be happening. And just want to give you a little surprise video that it's done. The pocket isn't there. Take care, guys. By the way, I really like guys who have been supporting me. It's because of you guys. I thank you a lot. Otherwise, this channel would wouldn't have increased. And the new guys and the older guys who haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so, because without you, this channel will go nowhere. And it has come this far in these few months because of you guys. All right, take care. Bye bye.